Make escalators by bending angles with horizontal roller bender. Press the start button to start the rolling bender. The middle moving shaft of the roll bending machine begins to put a bending pressure on the angle steel, which bends into an arc. Our rolling and bending machine uses numerical control technology, can bend multiple times, release the stress of angle steel, avoid rebound. This is what angle steel looks like when it's bent. A close-up shot. Use testing tools to measure angle steel for deformation, wrinkle, radian, etc.
你从下面拍它。